stuff you normally would throw in the trash. First of all, come on down here. Did you ever wish you had a way to give your kids money in their lunchbox, in their pocket, in their locker? Or did you want to stick money someplace where nobody would want to steal it and it was easy to have around? How about using a chapstick to put it in? Any type of thing like this will work. And when the money's in it, you turn it right up. There's your bill. Now you can put any dollar, you can put a $1 bill, $5 bill, whatever you want to put in, but it's a great way to store money, and I want to show you quickly how to do it. What I did was I took an empty chapstick container, and you're just going to wipe it out with a paper towel. And then you want to leave, this is the little basket that holds the actual chapstick in it. So you're going to leave that in, because that's the part that will raise that $1 bill up. Then you're just going to roll that $1 bill up nice and tight, slide it in, roll it down, and tap it down in, and put the lid on. When the kids want some extra money or they have an emergency or you do, it's right there. And nobody's going to steal a chapstick that somebody else has used. Now, another thing that drives me crazy is when the tape gets caught and I have to try to pick it and pull it up. So what I started doing was using my little bread locks. These are little tabs that you get on bread, and I just stick it to my tape whenever I use it. And it's easy to pull up, and you never have to wonder where that end is, because I hate that part. Now, if you've got pop tops on cans, you've got a great way to organize your closet. There's a lot of things that when I wear them with one other thing all the time. Like when I wear this jacket, I always wear this tank under it. So what I do is I take my pop top and I pull it off the can. Then I just slide the top one over the hanger. Then I take the other one and slide it right into the bottom one and hang it up in my closet. Doesn't take up any room, and I've got everything put together to wear. It's easy and it's quick. Now, a Kleenex box makes a great trash can for your car. You just take all your trash, shove it in, and when it's full, you can throw it out. And the nice thing is, because it's cardboard, you can squeeze it down into all those little nooks and crannies and holders that you have in the car, so it's easily accessible. And you never have to empty it. When it's full, pitch it in the trash. Now, soap containers. Instead of throwing them out, there's great things you can use them for. Of course, you can fill them with soap from a big container, but kids paint. When they paint, they get paint all over. But if you put it in the squirt bottle, they can squirt it into a little container and use it for painting. It keeps it clean and neat, and because it's clear, you can see what color paint's in there too. Last but not least, if you have down jackets and winter jackets that have that pile and that fluff in them, and you want to fluff them up, take a clean tennis shoe, throw it in the dryer on air fluff, and it will beat that down up until it's all fluffy and beautiful again. So before you throw it out, go to queenofclean.com and print this out and try saving some of these things and reusing them. Thanks, guys, for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.